kids, today we will start exercise 10.6. In this exercise we will find the time durations between two given times. So let's see the first question. Find the time duration between 3:40 am and 6:20 pm. Now we have to find the time between these two given time slots. But here one is given in AM and second is given in PM. So first of all what we do, we will write these times in hours system. So 3:40 AM we will write as 0340 hours. And 6:20 PM, this we will write as, here time is in PM, so we will plus 12 in 6 and here we get 1820 hours. Now we have to find time between these two given times. So here we subtract 1820 and 340. Now when we subtract 40 from 20, it is not possible, so we will borrow from hours part. Here it is left 17, and when one moves to that side it will become minute. So here 60 minutes. Now we add 20 and 60 and we get here 80. Now we can subtract 80 minus 40, 40, 17 minus 3. Here we get 14. So our final answer is 14 hours 40 minutes. Now in second question, what will be the time? Use AM or PM. Now we have to find the time after any given time. Like here they ask 1 hour 10 minutes after 6:20 pm. So we will count like 6:20 pm is given. After 1 hour, because we have to find after 1 hour 10 minutes. So first of all we will take after 1 hour. After 1 hour time will be 7:20 pm. Now 10 minutes are more there. So here we will find time after 10 minutes. 7:20 pm after 10 minutes. Now minutes we will add in the minute part, that is 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes, 20 minutes will be 30. So here we find the time 7:30 pm. Now we will start the statement sums. In question third, I am going to solve its A part. Madhu goes to school at 8:20 am and returns at 3:30 pm. How long is she away from home? Now we have to find the time between 8:20 and 3:30 pm. So here we will write the short statement. Madhu goes to school. It is the time 8:20 am. And return, she returned at 3:30 pm. Now we have to find how long she is away from home. She is away from home. To find that, what we will do? we will subtract these two given times. So here we will subtract 3:30 p.m. minus 8:20 a.m. But here you can see again, one time is in PM and other time is in AM. So first of all, we will equalize the units. So here we will write the both times in 24-hour system. So 3:30 will be 15 hours 30 minutes. As we add 12 in that 3, so we get here 15. And 8:20 a.m. we will write as it is, 08 hours 20 minutes. Now we can subtract it. 30 minus 20, 10 minutes. 15 minus 8, here we get 7. So we get the answer, she is away from home for 7 hours 10 minutes. Hence, she is away from home for 7 hours 10 minutes. So in this way, whenever you have to solve the time with different units, like one is with AM or other is with PM, then first of all convert it into 24-hour system and then solve the sum. Now we will do C part of that question. Mrs. Singh left home at 10:45 a.m. and returned after 1 hour and 20 minutes. At what time did she return? Now first of all we will make short statement. Mrs. Singh left home. She left home at 10:45 a.m. She returned after 1 hour 20 minutes. Now we will find at what time she returned. She returned at, now whenever after time comes, we are adding the time, and whenever before time comes, we are subtracting it. So here we will add that time. First of all, 10:45 a.m. we will write in hours, and that will be 10 hours 45 minutes. From this, we will find the next time. So to find the next time, we will add 1 hour 20 minutes in that. And here we get 45 plus 20, 65, 10 plus 1, 11. But as we done in the previous exercise, we will never write 65 minutes. So here we will subtract 60. And that 60 we will give to the hours column, and it will be 1. And here you solve this. 65 minus 60, 5 minutes. 11 plus 1, 12. So again, that time we will write in AM PM. 12 hours 5 minutes we will write with PM. So hence, she returned at 12:05 p.m. So in this way you can do rest of the parts of that exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.